Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Make.com and OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, via API key. So first of all, what you have to do is open Make.com and sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, then you have to open a new tab and type OpenAI.com. You land on this page. You have to select the option called API Platform and select API Login. Click on it, a new tab will open. From here, you have to sign in with your account into ChatGPT. Once you're signed in, you will land on this page. What you have to do is click on Start Building, which is on the top right corner. Now you have to give any organization name. For instance, I will name it as YouTube and select any option and click on Create Organization in order to create API keys. Select Invite My Team Later. So give any name to your API key and click on Generate API Key. Now this is your API key, which you have to click on Copy. Once you have copied the API key, you have to go back to Make.com. Now in Make.com, what you have to do is click on Connections. A new page will open. Click on Open Scenario Builder. Now you will see some list of options and applications. You have to select OpenAI ChatGPT. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. Click on Make an API Call. Click on it. A new window will open. Click on Create a Connection. Now you can give any name to your connection and paste in your API key. Hit Ctrl V. Now in order to find your organization ID, you have to click on this option. It will open a new tab. Now on this tab, you'll be able to find your organization ID. You have to select the ID, hit Ctrl C to copy the organization ID and go back to the Make.com. Now here you have to paste in that organization ID and click on Save. And that's it. You have successfully created a connection between Make.com and OpenAI. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.